Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss the integral comparison test. Before we are going to study this integral comparison test, let us recall what is called the when the measurable function is said to be integrable function. When the definition when therefore the measurable function f is on E is said to be integrable over E if modulus of f is integrable over E and modulus of f is integrable over E. That means modulus of integral modulus of f is integral over means modulus of f over E is finite and also satisfies integral of f over E equal to integral of f plus over E minus integral of f minus over E. Suppose the measurable function satisfies these two conditions, then that measurable function is said to be an integrable function over S at E. Integrable function over S at E. Now we are going to study the integral comparison test. This proposition says that let us take f be a non-negative f be a measurable function on E, and suppose there is a non-negative function, f is a measurable function and G is a non-negative function, and if G is integrable over E, that means G is integrable over E, but which dominates f, that means modulus of f is less than or equal to G on E, because G dominates f. Then we have to prove that f is integrable over E and modulus of f over E is less than or equal to modulus of f over E is less than or equal to integral of modulus of f over E. Because we assumed that modulus of f is less than or equal to G on E, because G dominates f. G dominates f. And G is a non-negative function. G is a non-negative function. And f is modulus of f is also a non-negative function. Then the monotonicity of a non-negative function on E, we get that integration of a monotonicity of a non-negative function, we get that modulus of f over E is less than or equal to integral of modulus of f over E is less than or equal to integral of G over E. But we assumed that G is an integrable function. G is an integrable function. Therefore, integral of G over E is finite. Integral of G over E is finite. Therefore, we get that modulus of integral of modulus of f over E is also finite. That means modulus of, because modulus of f is a non-negative function, and the integral of modulus of f is finite. Therefore, modulus of f is an integrable over E. Okay, and modulus of f is a non-negative function, and the integral of modulus of f over E is finite. Then by definition of a non-negative function which is integrable, that means modulus of f is integrable function. Modulus of f is a integrable function. And f is, and we assumed that f is a measurable function. F is a measurable function and modulus of f is a integrable function. Just now we proved that modulus of f is an integrable function. Then by definition of f is a measurable function is integrable. Then by definition f is an integrable function over E. F is an integrable function over E. This is what we proved, that the first part of the integral comparison test. The first one is the f is integrable over E. Next we are going to prove that modulus of f over E is less than or equal to modulus of integral of f over E is less than or equal to integral of modulus of f over E. We already know that f can be written as f plus minus f minus, f plus and f minus. Then by linearity of integration, we get that integral of f over e is equal to integral of f over e, f plus over e minus integral of f minus over e. Now we take the modulus on the both sides, we get that modulus on the both sides, we get that modulus of integral of f over e is equal to modulus of f plus over e minus modulus of f minus over e. Okay. Then by the triangle inequality, this becomes, which is less than or equal to what we get that, which is less than or equal to integral of modulus of f plus over e, f plus over e plus modulus integral of modulus of f minus over e, and this becomes and this becomes which is less than or equal to, because modulus of f over e is less than or equal to f. Okay, therefore which is less than or equal to modulus of which is less than or equal to integral of f plus over e, integral of f plus over e, and this is less than or equal to, and this is less than or equal to surplus integral of f minus over e. F plus and f minus are non-negative functions, therefore by the linearity property of non-negative function, this becomes integral of f plus f minus over e, but this is equal to modulus of f, because already we know that f equal to modulus of f can be written as f plus f minus. Okay, f plus and f minus. Therefore we get that modulus of f over e is less than or equal to modulus of integral of f over e is less than or equal to integral of modulus of f over e. Okay, thank you.